Cassie here from Bulletproof Lashes. I want to show a little video for you on the Stella Matte Fibre Lashes and the Ultra Silk Lashes. I wanted to show you a comparison video and explain why they're different or what's the difference between the two, as I get asked this a lot. So we do have the two ranges available, and we are actually about to bring out a third range of material. So I thought now would be a good time to jump on and explain the difference between the two. I'm going to be creating my fans with our Falcon Volume Tweezer. It is our biggest selling tweezer for volume fan making. Starting with our Stella Matte Fibre Lashes. Now these lashes are available in 0.03 and 0.05 thickness. They are a jet black fibre with a matte finish, available in Bulletproof Decurl. The Stella Matte Fibre creates beautiful structured fluffy volume fans. We also offer these lashes in easy fan trays called the Mega Immediate Stella Fibre. When I'm fan making, I like to grab a cluster of lashes and place it back down on the sticky strip. What I love about the Stella lashes is how easy they are to fan. You do need to apply a little bit more pressure when you're wiggling or rolling out the lashes to create the fan. These trays are also really popular with lash beginners. The fan lifts off the sticky strip easily, as the base of the hairs of the fan are still grouped together. So having another look at the Stellas, you can see how compact the lashes are on the strip. So you're going to need to apply a little bit of extra force, but not too much, just to really wiggle and move that base to separate the lashes. Add extra pressure if you want to separate them a little bit more. Now we'll have a look at our Ultra Silk Lashes. These are available in a combination of different curls, lengths, thicknesses, mixed trays and single length trays. They are our biggest selling lashes, loved by lash artists worldwide. Our Ultra Silk Lashes are jet black with a matte finish and hold a beautiful curl. I use the same method with the Ultra Silks when I fan, by picking a group of lashes and placing on the strip. The silk hairs move looser on the strip, allowing you to apply minimal pressure when wiggling to create your fan. With the Ultra Silks, you can create a really pointy base once applied to the adhesive. You only need to slightly wiggle your tweezer to separate the hairs. Every lash artist is different, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video about the different ranges we have available. See you next time. Thanks guys.